Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video is all about the things you should know if you want to start a YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Alright, so this video is going to be full of metaphors, so get ready. So the first section of this video is just going to be general advice. The first thing I have four things here that I want to tell you. First, it's a marathon, not a sprint. It is. You cannot expect to just sneeze and meet the monetization requirements and be making money instantly. It's a marathon, not a sprint. It takes a lot of hard work. It takes a lot of learning and educating yourself about YouTube and learning how to make the algorithm work for you and just SEO and all these big terms that you really have to research. Just know it's a marathon, not a sprint. Second one. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? A lot of people think that you can just get 1,000 subscribers and be able to get monetized. There's much more to it than that. You have to have 4,000 watch hours as well, and there's a lot more to it. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and honestly, YouTube is not for everyone. There are some creators who make videos and never get views. There are some creators who make videos and they get thousands of views. It's not for everyone. Don't go into it thinking that you can get rich off of it, because yes, there have been many successful YouTubers who have been able to quit their full-time job and go completely to YouTube, but the reality is there are so many people trying to do that now that YouTube is very crowded and there's a lot of content out there. I don't remember how many videos are uploaded in one day, but it's a lot. And it takes a long time to build your channel, build your audience, and build your community. So just know, again, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to be able to make money overnight. Number 3, you're starting a business, and that comes with a lot of responsibility. So YouTube is a business. You are trying to basically sell yourself to the internet. And you have to make content that people want to watch. You have to connect with your audience. You have to be willing to reply to comments and engage, and that comes with a lot of responsibility. Again, you are building a business, you are building a personal brand. That comes with a lot of responsibility. And number 4, it's not easy. It's honestly not. There are a lot of setbacks. There's been times that I've cried over YouTube. You put a lot of passion into this. I've put a lot of passion into this in the last year, and again, it's hard. It's hard work. It's not easy. Alright, so now moving on to what you need to start. Alright, so the first thing is a phone or a camera, and you can pretty much film on either one of these. Most smartphones nowadays have really good quality, 4K, 1080p. You can get along fine with just a phone. I think most of my vlogs have been filmed on my phone. I don't film, like sit-down videos I do film on my cameras, but most of my vlogs have been filmed on my phone. And I'm at 148 subscribers. So I mean, I'm not doing great, but still, that's 148 people that were not subscribed to my channel this time last year. Gotta be optimistic. Alright, the next thing you need is video editing software. iMovie is completely free. Most creators start out with iMovie, especially if they have Mac computers. I'm not sure about the free options for Windows. I know that there are a ton out there. The next thing you need is a Google account. It's free to create. I believe you have to be 13 years or older, and you can just create whatever email you want, put your name in for your YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel, and go from there. The next thing you need is a purpose or a motivation. So when I started, I wanted to learn video editing. That was my kind of purpose that wasn't for YouTube, but I also wanted to show what life was like at UF. There are a couple creators who have done this, but I'm a unique person. And I'm a first-generation college student. I'm 6'2". I mean, I know that's not a personality trait, but like, still, it's a part of who I am, and I'm proud of it. I wear glasses. You know, there's a lot that's different about me, and I wanted to show what life is like. No one has made videos about the dorm. I wanted to make videos about the dorm and show all these things that I had to learn on my own going through UF. So that's why I created my channel. That was my purpose and motivation. But I also wanted to share my passion and video editing and graphic design and everything that I've been learning throughout college and throughout high school that I've learned, like graphic design, video editing, everything in between, and share and be a teacher. That was kind of like, part of me wants to be a teacher after I graduate from college, but we'll see how that works out. I wanted to share the knowledge with everybody, and that was what my purpose of this channel was, is to share the knowledge and get info out there for the people that need it, especially for the freshmen who are coming into college. They know nothing about the dorms. I had to pick everything myself. I was learning everything along the way. I'm a first generation college student. It's not easy. College is again a marathon, not a sprint, and I had to learn everything on my own. So I wanted to share the wealth and share the knowledge, and here we are today. And then the last thing you need, which isn't, you don't technically need a computer to start a YouTube channel. You can totally upload on your phone, but it is recommended that you do have a computer. It just makes editing a bit easier and doesn't put so much stress on your phone. I personally recommend the MacBook Pro. It is expensive, but if you need a computer for school or for work, it's worth it because you can do all what you need to do on the MacBook Pro easily. It works wonders. It's worth saving up your money for. There are also powerful Windows machines. I mean, so many people I know have built their own Windows machine. I know nothing about that, so I would never even attempt to build my own PC, but you can make them powerful and for a cheap amount of money too. So would recommend a computer, but it's not required. So now for some free programs to start. iMovie for editing, Canva, Fonto, Pixlr, and PixArt are all good for thumbnails. And then Facetune is great for making a background blur on a thumbnail. I learned this trick from Catherine Manning, and it's a game changer. Alright, so now for some disclaimers about YouTube. And there's really only one disclaimer, and that is do not do sub for sub. So what that means is that someone will subscribe to your channel and then you subscribe back to them and no one watches your content. It's literally, people try to cheat the system and grow on YouTube this way. It's not the way to grow. It's against the YouTube terms of services. Don't do it. I've never done it. Don't do it. Just don't do it. So here are some things that you should do. The first thing is to publish new content consistently. So whether that's once a week, twice a week, once a month, twice a month, whatever, publish new content whenever you can. And they say quality over quantity, and I completely agree with that. Publish what you can, what you're proud of, and go from there. The second thing is use tags and the description box for SEO. So SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's a marketing term that people use to basically rank in Google and rank on the internet. So it's what makes your videos be seen by other people. And YouTube, if your SEO is in good shape, then YouTube will recommend your video. You want to make sure you're targeting the right people who you want to see the video and everything like that. Finally, the last thing you should do is to share on your social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter consistently. And this lets your audience know, if they're following you here, that you published a new video, that you want them to see it, and it just shares the content and go from there. Alright, so that about wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content. I post new videos every single week, and my main day is Saturday, but I have been posting on Tuesdays lately as well. So stay tuned for more. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I really do appreciate your support, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.